Namaskar. Good evening, everyone. My name is Swatantra, Shekhar Swatantra, and I'm from India. And right now, I'm in Kanpur. And I'm going a place that is called Ganga Barrage. Actually, a barrage is made over the Ganga River. So that is why this is called Ganga Barrage. And it is a picnic spot. People come here and enjoy. So I would like to give you just a little tour to understand what is this. And look at the view. Just have a look at the view. Just let me cross the road. This is Atal Ghat. And people who are not in India, this is for them. It is a gift from my side. So, just wait a second. Oh my God. Namami Gange. Har Har Gange. This is a river Ganga, the holy Ganga. Just feel it. That is why I'm not speaking. I'll be silent. Just feel the flow of water. It's a very nice view. And wind is blowing just like a breeze. It's a Ganga effect. So I'm giving the name Ganga effect. Let me go inside. What is other things to watch? This is me. My name is Swatantra, Shekhar Swatantra. So I'm going inside. सोच बदलो, स्वच्छ रहो. People who miss their city, so this is for them. Here is Shuddha Peyajal, drinking water. Oh, look at the view. I'm going on a boat ride. Yes, a boat ride. भैया अभी नाव चलेगी? कितनी देर बाद? नाव चलेगी? बरसात, अच्छा बाढ़ के कारण? हाँ, उधर परमट पे तो चलाते? अलाउड नहीं है, मर जा रहे हैं लोग.
पानी कम हो जाएगा तब चलेगी.
अच्छा अच्छा अच्छा. ये दिया ये कहाँ मिलता है? ये दिया ये कहाँ? मॉर्निंग में, शाम टाइम नहीं मिलता है?
सुबह टाइम मिली.
अच्छा अच्छा. कहाँ? अच्छा अच्छा, भैरव, उस पे भैरव वाले मंदिर पे. अच्छा वहाँ भी वो भैरव बाबा वाला मंदिर वो है ना वो? हाँ. So I'm not going close towards a river stream. Just stay away from there because it's administration instructions from the municipal government, municipal corporation, or not from the government, and police persons also here, the security persons. They have to look after here. Ganga Nadi में पूजन सामग्री ना डालें. Let's look at the way. You can walk over here. It's a huge park. It's a bank on the bank of Ganga River. It's not a very broad, but on the narrow strip. It's on the side by side of the river, on the bank of river. Just look at the view. My goodness. That is a barrage over there. It's something like a bridge, you know. Barrage, actually, it's an engineering term. Barrage is made with the purpose to just hold the flow of water, to control the flood and divert the water. If just like in rainy season, we have a lot of overflow of water in terms of flood and water coming from the northern side of the country, from Uttarakhand. So just make such kind of barrage, just like a Hatnikund barrage in Haryana. So we make barrages and divert water in terms of canal. We make canals. So I'm going downstairs and I'll give you a close shot of Ganga River. In English, British used to call it Ganges. It is a Mahila Snana Ghat. Ladies के लिए है ये, but nowadays it is prohibited just because of flood, overflow. It is written in Hindi everywhere, just like Khatra, danger. So there is a bench you can enjoy and have a feel of River Ganga. Look at that paper, white paper, written Khatra. And some people are doing puja, kind of deep dan, Ganga Aarti. People take flowers, diyas, like this. This is the water. And it is not allowed to go beyond this rope, because it's very vulnerable coastal side, because it's a sand. Anytime this can be landslide happen, that can happen, and we'll go direct away, straight away we'll go in the middle of the stream. Its flow is very fast. If you can see, let me focus. If I can zoom over there in center. This speciality of Ganga River is something different. It is very broad but not very deep. Just when we compare with the Yamuna is very deep. However, Ganga is not a deep. So if river is not a deep, there is a lot of probability of undercurrents, because hurdles that is made by sand and any obstacles. So they just make a disturbance in a streamline flow. When disturbance is made, definitely undercurrent will go. That means on the surface, current direction will be in terms of just like this. If river is going in this direction, so on the surface we can see current's direction is towards east. However, undercurrent may be towards north, towards south, can be different. That is why it's very difficult to swim in such water flow. It's very easy to swim in ocean, sea, but very difficult in River Ganges. So just tell me, guys, your experience. How do you like to view the river Ganga, Ma Ganga? And if you guys will support me, definitely I'll make more videos. Hello, Julie. How are you? Hi, Julie. Oh. And there is park inside also over there. Let me go. Very nice. So my name is Swatantra, Shekhar Swatantra, and I'm from Kanpur. I spent my lot of time in Delhi NCR, Noida, Gurgaon, Delhi, and Bangalore. And I'm from Kanpur. I'm born and brought up over here. Very nice place to come here. One time visit. It's mandatory to come here because in the evening it's really peaceful. You can feel it. Green with white. That is the pathway. And this video is getting very long, so I'm just going to end this session, and I'll make another video with my family also, and I'll make a video of my college when I was in college. My college is just nearby this location. It's just a half kilometer from here, 500 meters only. My college name is Vikramajit Singh Sanatan Dharma Vishwavidyalaya, from where I did my post-graduation in physics. MSc Physics I've done from over there. So hostel is just very close to this location. The police people are instructing, security persons are instructing the people, those who are going very close to river. So now I'm going to end this video. If you like, just let me know with the comment, and I'll make more videos regarding just like this. Alright, thank you so much for watching my channel, and subscribe it if you like it, and support me if you can by subscribing, and just press the bell icon so you can get the notification also. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. It's evening here, so I would say good evening once again. Thank you. Bye bye. फिर मिलते हैं. Same time, same channel. Not the same time. It's up to you. Whenever you want to meet, you can meet. Bye bye.